Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Tazapay payment gateway integration for Odoo. It enables the secure cross-border payments with the built-in compliance. It supports the multi-currency international transaction with the real-time payment confirmation and the protection. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to the website module. Under the configuration, you will find one option for the payment providers. So here I'm selecting the Tazapay as a payment provider. So for the first, you have to enable it in the test mode, and after that select the company and the website for the same. And under the credentials tab, you have to add the credentials for the same. After that, I'm just going to the home page and adding one product to the cart. I'm selecting the payment method as a Tazapay and going to pay for the same. So here you can see it will redirect to the payment gateway and I'm selecting the card payment method and going to add the card details. Now I'm just going to pay for the same. So here you can see our payment is completed. And one sale order is also created from the same. Now I'm just going to the website module and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment transactions. I'm selecting the latest one. So here you can able to see the payment method and the provider, and you can also track the payment details. If you want to make the refund from the same, you just have to click on this refund icon and I'm just going to proceed further. So here you can see the refund is created for our sale order and one child transaction is also created for the same. If you want to track your sale order, just click on the smart button. So from here you can also able to track all the details for your order. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.